Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Carey. And I'm Anna. And today we are bringing you another 2 looks, 1 palette with the James Charles X Morphe palette. This was a Christmas gift to me from my dad. I wanted it very badly and I'm very excited that I finally got to use it and try it out, test it. As you can see, I did more of a neutral look with a bold lip, and Anna did more of a colorful, bold eye with a nude lip. So if you're interested in seeing how we got these looks, then just keep watching.
Alright, so I have already primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and now I'm going to go in with the color Punch Me, and I'm just fluffing this into my crease just to create a nice little transition shade. Then I'm going in with a more precise brush and the color Canvas into the crease, and then I'm also going to pat this on the outer V of my eye. This color for me was actually really hard to work with. I had to go in several times. Then I'm going into Punch Me again, and I'm just going to fluff that over to try to blend out Canvas a little bit better. And with an even more precise brush, I'm going to go in with the color T, and I'm patting this just on the outside, and I'm also creating a wing with this color. I kind of wanted to give this look a very cat eye on the outside. And then I'm just going to blend that a little bit again with the color Canvas. Then I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm just going to create a really sharp wing on that outer corner by removing the color T essentially. And then I'm making sure this is even with the other side. I suck at that. Then I'm going to take the color Benny and I'm putting this all over my eyelid. I wasn't really happy with what the brush was doing, so I just decided to go in with my ring finger. That always seems to work better for me for metallic and shimmer shades. And then I'm going to go back into the color T just to try to intensify the eyeliner shape, I guess you could call it, even though it's just eyeshadow. And I felt like I went a little bit overboard with that, so I decided to go back in with Benny to try to get some more of that color. Then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and go ahead and do my concealer. I'm going to blend that up. I'm going to blend that out with this pointed Real Techniques brush, being really careful on that outer edge just to make sure I don't mess up the cat eye shape that I have going on. I'm setting that concealer with the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. I have had this for a while and that cooling effect does go away eventually, unfortunately. Then I'm just repeating those steps on my lower lash line. First I'm going in with Canvas in this really pointed brush along my entire lower lash line, and then I'm going in with Punch Me just to blend that out a bit. Then I'm going to use a really precise pencil brush to smudge the color T on my lower lash line, just in the outer bit, to merge what's happening on my lower lash to what's happening on my eyelid. I'm using the color Benny just on the inner part of my lower lash line to bring some of that shimmer to the lower lash. For my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight, I'm using the color Ringlight. This is actually a really pretty highlight color. I would even use this on my face. Then, as always, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Then I'm going to use my current go-to drugstore mascara, which is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I love this mascara. And I decided that this look needed a little bit of something in the waterline, so here I'm using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the color Mr. Bing, which is a Kathleen Lights collab. And there you have it. I'm all done with mine. Stay tuned for Anna's. So as always, I've already primed with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and now I'm going in with Punch Me from the James Charles palette and using that as my transition shade and just blending it in all over my crease. And then I'm going to go straight in with Cola. As you can see, we're doing a halo eye here. So I'm putting this on the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm going to keep going back in and building the color up. And blending it into my crease a little more. And I'm also blending it a little more into that Punch Me shade. Smoking it out a little more, I guess, would be the correct terminology. And again, just going in and building up the color because it wasn't quite as pigmented as I wanted it to be initially. But I would say that this shade was very nice because it's buildable, because it did build up to the pigment that I wanted it to be. And now I'm going in with Escape, and I'm putting this on the edge of that Cola shade, more towards the center of my lid, and blending it in to the Cola shade and then a little bit into my crease as well. Okay, in all honesty, it's a little hard to tell, but I think I'm going in with the color Single now. And with every shade, I'm just bringing it slowly and slowly closer into the center of my eyelid. But now I'm using Artistry and a little bit of Fix Plus, just to have that really pretty purple highlight on the center of my lid. And that's exactly where I'm putting it. And now I'm going in with Flashback and using that as my highlighting shade for my inner corners and my brow bones. And here is the great video of me doing my eyeliner right now. I'm using a combination of the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and the e.l.f. liquid liner. And now I'm going in and cleaning up that liner to make it extra sharp with a makeup wipe. And now I'm applying concealer under my eyes so I can go ahead and go in and do my eyeshadow under my eye. I forget what that's called. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, of course, nothing new here. And now I'm setting that with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I'm basically just going in and repeating everything I did on my eyelid on my lower lash line. So I'm using Cola, Escape, and Single, and then I'm going in with a white pencil liner that I believe is from NYX.
So we hope you enjoyed this video doing two looks with the James Charles and Morphe collaboration palette. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you know every time we post.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Layla, you need to stop licking everything.